Hi, this is Michael Monroe with ABCDF, and this video will show just one of several new features in Property Inspector 5.0.1, the ability to load and save selections to a file. This is the NI Actor Framework Fundamentals project I loaded from the examples. Let's say I've been working on this project for several hours and I need to restart LabVIEW. Why? Maybe I'm debugging an issue that only happens once when I open the project. Maybe I need to work on a different project. Maybe it's Friday, I need to go home and power down the computer. Maybe Windows needs a restart. Maybe I'm running LabVIEW 2024 Q3 and it crashes a lot. The problem is, I have over 20 windows open and I don't want to lose what I'm working on. Property Inspector can save a selection to a file. Let me demonstrate it by running macros, and then we'll look at the macros. Here in Property Inspector is Save Open Windows. There you have it. All the windows have been saved to a file and closed. When I restart LabVIEW, I can reopen the project, reopen Property Inspector, and come back and restore open windows. Now, there are four things you may not have noticed. One is that you're only looking at block diagrams. Second, retain wire values is enabled for all diagrams. Also, the windows are sorted by date, so the most recently modified is on top. Also, only the open windows are visible in Property Inspector. Let's look at the macro. Here's the macro to save Actor Framework Open Windows. Here we select Open, and here we select Save to a file. Notice this file name has the AF in it. I can have a separate file for every project and do this with every project separately. Then I close the selected windows and clear the selection. When I come back, I can restore the open windows. I load the selection, sort by date, enable retain wire values, view the selected, which is what you see here, and then view the block diagrams. Also, it's possible to have one macro that will open this project and restore all of these windows in one step, saving time. And that is it. Property Inspector 5.01 is available now in beta from my website. Thank you.